wasn't just like about making music, it was like what we thought it was, how it like influenced us in our lives.
Music has so much to do with learning because without even realising, like, you're using skills that you need in your career. You've used problem solving, you've used communication, teamwork, and music does bring out the creativity in people that they don't even know they have.
Now that I've widened my view, I'm thinking about engineering, electronics and other areas of work which I never really had studied before, but I'm looking at now.
Now I've learned that actually other people have ideas too, and you can merge ideas and it'll create something wonderful like it has here.
Today I have also learned through watching projects come together that hard work really does pay off, especially when you work in a team.
It was like about our future, and we got to decide what we got to do.
It's turned out really good. It's become more of like a giant project.
I learned teamwork, that it's really good to work with other people because you learn new things and it can be really fun.
It's given me a wider view on career choices.
If you see things in black and white and you're not creative with things, then you're never going to get anywhere. You need to see in colour, because then that way everything just seems more clear and you should have more fun.
Like, I made some new friends, learned some new things, and became like a bit more social than before.
I think it's been brilliant. I've loved every minute.